Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about IRMS updates. Okay, so many students are eagerly waiting for this exam. So why? Because the railway vacancies are removed from ESC 2020, Engineering Service Exam 2020. So those railway vacancies are added in IRMS 2021 exam, Indian Railway Management Service 2021 exam. Okay, so many students are waiting for IRMS exam pattern. Okay, so now here is a update. So that is confirmed by Union Minister of Railways Piyush Goyal. So on 6th August 2020. So the key updates are one is regarding prelims, another one is regarding mains. Okay, so here IRMS prelims through UPSC Civil Service prelims exam and IRMS mains through Research Designs and Standards Organization, that is RDSO, right? So these are the key updates. Okay, so the third thing is interview. Obviously the interviews are conducted by UPSC board only, right? So one small thing here is in previously, so UPSC civil service prelims is the basis for Indian administrative service as well as Indian forest service. Okay, so now one more service is added for that prelims, that is IRMS, Indian Railway Management Service. Okay, so one single exam for three services, right? IRMS, UPSC civils and Indian Forest Service. Okay, this is the common exam for these three services. Okay, so mains are differ. Okay, so for Indian Forest Service mains is different, and for civil services mains is different, and IRMS mains is different. Okay, so that IRMS mains is conducted by RDSO, Research Design and Standards Organization. Okay, now okay, so already we know, so eight railway services. Okay, eight railway services are uh, so here a rail merger of eight cadres into IRMS likely to be completed by November this year, right? So previously these complete eight railway services. So wait a minute. So civil services and engineering services. Okay, these are the two services. In civil services, railway cadres are three, and for engineering service cadre, we have five railway services. Total eight railway services. These eight railway services are merged and which forms Indian Railway Management Services. This merging process is not completed till the date. Okay, so which is likely to be completed by the November end. After that, we may expect a notification from UPSC side, right? So so, and here for the modification of Indian Railway Management Services, the National Transporter has hired consultancy firm McKinsey and Company to finalize its modalities. Okay, and it has also been conveyed that future recruitment of IRMS would be through UPSC Civil Service exam. So, which is confirmed by Union Minister of Railways, that is Piyush Goyal. Okay, so already it is confirmed. Prelims is confirmed. Okay, there is no changes. Okay, Indian Railway Management Service prelims, which is equals to UPSC prelims. That is finalized. Okay, and next thing. Okay, So now this is regarding a merger of eight services, that is Indian Railway Management Services. Okay, that is already explained. And next, when it comes to this one, so Railway Minister Piyush Goyal and Railway Board Chairman VK Yadav held a meeting with representatives of various cadres and railway unions on Wednesday on the merging of the railway services. The officials said, okay. And one more thing, so these civil services three and ESC are five services, five railway services. These three plus five, eight services comes into one platform, that is Indian Railway Management Services. In this eight Indian Railway Management Services, they are allocated four levels: level 1 and a level 2 and a level 3 and a level 4. Here in December 2019, the Union Cabinet approved the restructuring of the national carrier by trimming the railway board strength to half from 8 to 4 and unifying its 8 railway services into a central services. Total under this IRMS, we can expect four positions, four levels, okay, and four ways of responsibilities, okay. And next, that means for promotional growth, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, okay, in IRMS. Okay, so during the meeting, the railway informed the cadres that they were thinking of uniform promotion for all services till higher administrative grade based on a best performing service in the grade for senior administrative grade. Okay, so here, so all eight services comes under IRMS, right? So in this IRMS, okay, so 5 plus 3 services. These 3 from UPSC and that means UPSC Civil Services, and these 5 from ESC background. Okay, already 8,000 employees are there uh, from these 8 services. Okay, so these 8,000 employees are comes under IRMS right now. So these 8,000 people are in this IRMS. We have 4 services, right? Level 1 and level 2, level 3 and a level 4, like that. This L1 means entry level, L4 means seniority based higher position, right? So like that, we have 4 services are mentioned in IRMS, right? So these 8,000 employees are allocated for these 4 services. Okay, so that is pending, right? That is right now, that is in pending. So if it is completed, then they will give the recruitment notification, okay. That thing mentioned here, okay. And one more thing, so these promotions are that means these promotions are mentioned based on seniority as well as the performance, okay. So, and next thing, it has also been conveyed that future recruitment of IRMS would be through UPSC Civil Service exam, while posts requiring technical expertise like those in research designs and standards organization will be filled up by different processes, said an official who attended the meeting. Okay, okay, this is the official information from the newspapers. Okay, and one more thing, so we are targeting the merger to be completed before November. That means these allocation of the services in IRMS and promotional growth as well as merging of all these services. These complete formalities uh, are completed by the end of November. Okay. After that, so all the posts of merged cadre will be open for all the members of IRMS. Fresh recruitment to IRMS will be done from UPSC Civil Service exam, right? So those requiring technical expertise like those in RDSO will be filled up by different processes. Okay, it, like the way it is done in ISRO DRDO, like one of the official said gave the information. Okay, and one more thing. They also said the formula for integrated seniority was still under discussion, right? This is under discussion. So, but Yadav said during the meeting, some element of merit will be taken into account for key posts, not just seniority. Not only seniority, they will focus on performance also. So the merger services had earlier been proposed by various committees that studied ways of reforming the Indian Railways, including the Prakash Tandon Committee 1994, Rakesh Mohan Committee 2001, Sam Pitoda Committee 2012, and the Vivek Debroy Committee 2000. So these are general awareness key points regarding India Railways restructuring committees. Okay, so this is current updates regarding Indian Railway Management Service 2000, Services 2021. Okay, one is prelims. The prelims is declared. Okay, that is through UPSC Civil Service exam. The mains that that will also declared by the RDSO organization. This RDSO Research and Development Organization from National Transporters. Okay, RDSO is National Transporters Transporters R&D organization. Okay, so uh, this is the organization which will conduct the IRMS mains exam. Okay, interviews are conducted by the UPSC people, right? So this is the official information through Union Minister of Railways, Piyush Goyal. And for more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.